Rosita. What should we paint today?
Let's think.
Oh, hey, Elmo will paint that flower.
Oh, and I'm going to paint that bird. Yes, he's so cute. Oh, no. Mi pajarito.
What's the matter, Rosita?
I put too much red paint on my brush. Now my bird is just a big red splotch. Oh, now my hands are shaking and my tummy's tight. I made a mistake. I'm feeling frustrated. Ay, Rosita, you always messed up. I really wanted it to be a pretty bird.
Oh, Rosita, Elmo knows how you feel. Elmo makes mistakes all the time.
You do?
Of course. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
Ay, gracias. Thank you, Elmo. You are a kind friend. Oh, you know what I just remembered? My papi says it's important to be a kind friend to myself.
Cool. But how can you be a friend to yourself?
I can say you love making art and you are an artist who tries your best. And I can say, whoops, you made a mistake. But that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
That's right. That's exactly what a kind friend would say to someone else. So that's what you should say to yourself, Rosita.
Mm-hmm. And speaking of kind friends, I have an idea. Look, Elmo, I took my mistake and made it into something special. Ta-da! A picture of my two friends that I love so much, Elmo and Rosita.